Hello, just a quick note in the beginning. Tutorials are like this were recorded before we rebranded to LAKIOO. We have already released a new version of the Creator app, and everything you see in LAKIOO Creator can be used in LAKIOO Creator as well. We want to be more visible, and you can also be more visible with our app. I have good news for cities, villages, offices or companies that want to digitalize their official notice board or inform tourists about attraction in the area. It's really easy. Do you have everything important on your website or on the internet? In this case, creating content for the info kiosk with our LAKIOO Creator will be really easy. Just use the web widget and insert a link to your website. Hi, I'm Lukáš and I'll show you how to use the web widget along with creating a simple start menu for the digital board. I will create a new project. I will call the project Information Info Kiosk. I will keep orientation and resolution. OK. I will make this sample for the city Bratislava. I'll start right away with the web widget. Drag and drop it into the canvas. Now I have to insert link. If I know the link, I can write it directly in this box, but I don't know the link directly, so first I'll find it. I open the browser and here I have prepared few websites. I copy the link, mark it and click the right mouse button and select copy. Now I'll go back to LAKIOO Creator and paste this link into the box. Click and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V. Click enter. Now my page is loaded directly in the widget. I will stretch the widget to the size I need. Now when I give preview and click into the widget, it opens only in the size of the widget. I have to change it. Close the preview. And on the right in the settings in the transform tab, I click on this checkbox full screen, which ensures that after clicking on the widget, it opens to the full screen. I show you preview and click. I close the browser in the upper right corner. I will also close the preview, and now I'm going to make this opening menu a bit more attractive. I'm thinking to help people browsing the web. I could select the most visited websites and add them to the start menu. At the same time, I will show you the second way of using the web widget. I will use text widget here on the edge. Double click to activate typing and now I will write official board. I will change the font and align to the center. Now fill the field with this specific color of the web page. And finally, change the color of the text. Now I copy and paste the widget, and I will repeat this so that I have 4 text widgets, and I will sort them below like this. It's starting to look pretty good to me, and I will edit the text to these buttons. This could be things to do. The third could be about events. And the last one should be the Bratislava card for the tourist. Now, how do I trigger the text widget to open the web browser when clicked? Simply, I will cover it with the touch widget. When I use touch widget for first time, it shows me notification about interactive project and just click OK. I have to put it above the text widget and stretch to the dimension of the text widget. OK, I see red finger icon over the widget, which means that the widget has not yet been assigned any action should happen after clicking. Let's say it has no link. So again, I need a link or web address to the website. I open the browser and copy link and I will return to LAKIOO Creator. Add website to this box. Insert link using Ctrl V. Click enter. I noticed that finger mark disappeared, which is correct. To make it obvious that it is a button, I will insert a touch marker. I will choose this finger from those offered. I click on this icon and adjust the size and position of the marker. Finally, I will change the color as well. Other touch widget, I either copy the already set one and thus the marker remains the same on all of them. Or I drag and drop from the touch widget and make it for each one separately. I'll make this next just by copying Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. And I will place the touch widget above the text widget. Attention! I also copied it with the web address, so I'm going to find another link. I open the browser and copy link from prepared websites. I will return to InfoKey software and delete the previous link by clicking on this basket and insert a new link using Ctrl and V. Click Enter. Third and fourth, I change the link in the same way. Copy the link, back to Creator, delete previous link, Ctrl V to insert new link. Enter. And the last one, browser, copy the link, back to InfoKey Creator, delete previous link and insert new one. Enter. So I'll try if it works as it should. I open preview and click official board. My browser opens and I'm directly in the page of the official board. Great! I will close the preview, escape or F11. I noticed the colors of the browser do not match the colors of the page. The two can be changed. I click on the web widget or touch zone where I see red button General Browser Settings. Here I find that I can set primary color, secondary color and text color. I click preview, open the browser and notice what is the primary color and what is the secondary color. Okay, I will just change primary color with dropper like this. I'll open the preview now to check it. Okay, fine. Web widget is working. I'm still missing something on this main page. What about to add the latest news running? I will use the RSS widget and double click to insert it into the canvas. It will automatically place to bottom edge where it is most often used. A link needs to be inserted here. I find a link in the browser. I will use the report from Slovakia Radio. Copy the RSS link and paste it here. I automatically get message to the widget. Change the font, white color, and fill the field again with this color. Finally, I adjust the height. Now when I press preview, I can see the message gradually passing through. I will close the preview and I completed the lower bar. And now something would be useful even in the upper bar. I will put time and date. Drag and drop and adjust so they have same size. From the date, I will remove the name day. I will unclick the name day checkbox. In between, I will insert the text widget and text "Welcome in Bratislava." Now I will adjust the font and align text to the center. And the last thing that completed this page for me is background. I will only insert an image that I have prepared in advance in the library. And now I have to change the color of the widgets in the upper bar. I will use white color. I click preview and the page is ready. Simply, fast and efficient. It's up to you which way of creating content will you use. Maybe if you're preparing the content for the screen, the website can run there as a temporary solution. For this type of project, I would also choose a screensaver where images or even poster can be shown. There are many options, so don't hesitate to try it by yourself. It's great fun. I will leave download link in the description of the video. Was everything clear? If video helped you, give it a like or write their comments. You can watch our other videos on our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Stay creative and simply create.